What is up, everyone? Welcome back to your daily stimulus check news. The topic of today's video is your fourth stimulus check update. Today is April 14th. Let's get right to the very first article. Where does Joe Biden stand on a fourth stimulus check? Basically, if you didn't know, Joe Biden did 100% confirm that an additional 2 stimulus check packages totaling $4 trillion are set to continue and be distributed very soon. That's the very first article. Then we have this article right here, CNBC. You know it's legit. This new batch of $1,400 stimulus check includes payments to veterans. If you didn't know, a fifth batch of $1,400 stimulus checks has been sent out. This new set, almost 2 million checks, brings the total number of payments sent to 159. This time, Veteran Affairs beneficiaries will be amongst the recipients. And that brings us to the third article, USA Today. Very reputable, very legit. Stimulus check plus up payments have been sent to 700,000 Americans in the last batch. If you didn't watch my last video, I'll quickly summarize, but I highly recommend you go watch it. I'll link it in the end of this video. Basically, Joe Biden confirmed that 2 more additional stimulus check packages totaling $4 trillion will go out, and there's going to be a new batch of stimulus checks. And right here, guys, allegedly 700,000 Americans have actually been sent out stimulus checks in the latest batch. Not everyone will actually receive the stimulus check. Some people will qualify, some people won't. But if you see right here, you could actually see the fifth batch of payments were processed on Friday. Will begin processing on Friday. The IRS distributes more plus up payments. The fifth batch of payments included more than 700,000 plus up payments. So again, some people are eligible, some people are not. When will it arrive? Hopefully next week. We'll get more in this article later. And finally, we have this article, stimulus check update. $300 monthly child credit will start in July, says the IRS. But real quick, I want to take 2 seconds out this video. I want to pick a winner from the last giveaway. If you guys don't know, not only do I post daily videos, at least 1 if not 2 videos every single day, I also do daily Amazon gift card giveaways. If you want to enter the free Amazon gift card giveaway, which I do in every single video, all you have to do is you have to hit that like button, you have to hit that subscribe button, and then comment the word blue or just comment a blue emoji. Let's pick 2 winners from the last video's comment section, guys. I'm going to be picking 2 winners. Let's go right now. 264 comments. The first winner is Yellow Gene Hicks. Congratulations, you are one winner. All you have to do is email me averagetuber@yahoo.com. It's one word, the word averagetuber@yahoo.com. Congratulations, Gene Hicks, you are the first winner. Let's pick a second winner right now. Yellow Wazir Ali, congratulations. Please email me, guys, averagetuber@yahoo.com. You have 24 hours to email me. And that's pretty much it, guys. I do daily giveaways every single day. Every day I post 1 to 2 videos, and every video I do free Amazon gift card giveaways. And again, to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is you have to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and just leave a comment. Today's comment is blue or a blue emoji. When this video hits 500 likes, I'll be picking the winner in my next video. Let's get back to the articles. The first one right here. Where does Joe Biden stand on a fourth stimulus check? Basically, I'm not allowed to play videos on my channel, but Joe Biden has went on record in saying it's a possibility. He doesn't confirm or deny 100% it's going to happen. As we see right here, Biden has not publicly responded to the letters that, congressmen, basically 21 senators and lawmakers wrote Biden a letter saying we need reoccurring monthly stimulus check, and Biden has not yet responded publicly to the letters, nor has he actually addressed the possibility of further payments. But the president has turned to the Build Back Better initiative for a spurling $2 trillion recovery plan. Not only that, guys, but also if we look right here, on Monday, Biden and Vice President Harris met with a group of bipartisan senators to negotiate provisions on the upcoming bill. While the latest relief bill passed without Republican support, Biden is hoping to draw some kind of support. In January, a data survey found that 65% of voters want $2,000 monthly direct payments during the duration of the pandemic, and only 32% opposed. Guys, comment right now if you're watching. Comment if you actually support and are in favor of reoccurring monthly stimulus checks until either the end of the year or until the pandemic is over. And even if you don't support it, even if you disagree, please comment below. I do not censor you guys. Just don't curse, guys. Keep it adult. We are adults. We don't have to, argue back and forth amongst one another. But basically right here, the crisis is far from over, and families deserve certainty that they can put food on the plate and keep a roof over their heads. That's what people are saying. And Joe Biden has not said no to this. He said it's a possibility, but he did say 100%. If you didn't watch my last video, I highly recommend you go watch it, that there's going to be 2 more additional stimulus packages that total to $4 trillion in his Build Back Better plan. So we have that to look forward to. If anything does come out, any new updates, I will cover it on my channel just like I do every single day. And we have right here this new batch where he said will be included, will be sent out to veterans. Like I said right here, the U.S. government has issued a new set of $1,400 stimulus checks, and this Veteran Affairs beneficiaries were included, guys. Last round, a lot of people did not receive it, and this round specifically, guys, veterans, they actually are looking to hypothetically receive more money. many more stimulus checks right here. Veterans who actually could receive about $72,000 went out to those people. And if we look right here, the new round also included plus up payments for those who actually were due more money. If you're not familiar, if you don't know what plus up payments are, again, please go watch my last video. Let's get to this article right here. Very, very good. IRS distributes more plus up payments to 700,000 people. Not everyone is actually going to receive these stimulus checks. Again, if you're not sure, I would definitely recommend contacting the IRS because it is case by case, basis. And I personally don't know your guys', taxes. I don't know your life, but feel free to leave a comment. I'll actually be able to help you as much as I know possible. I'm here to help you guys. Stimulus check update: $300 per month per child tax credit will start in July. So again, in July, hopefully you guys can allegedly expect to receive $300 every single month for every single child. If we take a look right here, Rettig said that the IRS will debut on online portal July 1st to facilitate the payments. Portal can also be used by those who can choose to opt out of the monthly payments, who would want to opt out. But regardless, guys, basically, I'm letting everyone know that you could actually receive $300 or $320 in July. I just want to let you guys know that the payments will be made monthly in $300 or $320, depending on the age of the child. Installments starting in July and running through December, basically the end of the year. I want to let people know. That's what I do on my channel, guys. I keep you 100% informed. I want to help people. I want to be Mr. Beast 2.0. If you guys can please do me one favor, hit that like button, share this on social media. Finally, if you have $1, if you have 99 cents, if you want to be part of the best community on YouTube, please hit this white join button on my channel. Literally, it only costs you 99 cents. Become a member. All the money does go to charity. All the money does go to someone else in need. I use the money to continue these daily giveaways. Again, so if you want to help me, hit this white join button. Only costs 99 cents. Become a member of the best community on YouTube. As a member, guys, you get a bunch of cool perks. You get a diamond neck chain that changes colors. You get 20 members only exclusive emojis. You get members only community tab, which gives you exclusive content, pictures, polls, a live stream, giveaways, guys. In every single video, I talk live to my members. It only costs 99 cents. There's a bunch of cool things about it, but the best part, all the money goes to a good cause. It all goes to charity. It all goes to someone else in need, and it helps me to continue doing these giveaways. Every single stimulus I got, I literally gave away every last dollar to help people. That's all I want to do. Please hit that like button. Please hit this join button if you have $1. I also have a Patreon. Some people said I prefer using Patreon, so I made a Patreon for $1 if you have it. And last and certainly not least, I do have a clothing line brand. If you guys want to support me, every single shirt I make is 100% cotton, very good design quality. They're funny shirts. They're $19.99, so they're very affordable. And if you look right here, 100% cotton. Ask anybody in the comments who received the shirt. Ask anyone in the comments. Very good quality shirts. I literally almost break even on these guys with taxes and shipping them out and everything. But all I want to do is I want to help people. All the money, even $1, goes a long way because that all goes in one fund that I use to do these giveaways. Daily videos, daily giveaway. Enter the free giveaway. Hit that like, be subscribed, comment the color blue, or just comment a blue emoji. That's it for today, everyone. Have a great day.